will see examples from daily life to show the effect of air pressure. There are so many examples given in your book, any book which is with you, it may be NCERT, CBSE book, ICSE book. In every book it is given, and not only for standard 8, it is for standard 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you may go through any example with the help of your book. I have chosen few out of those, so I'm going to explain that. First example, when we will see the effect of air pressure, nose bleeding often occurs at high altitude. Why this happened? Reason: at high altitude, air is less dense. As already I'm telling you since last videos, even in same video also I told you, as we go at height, air pressure decreases. Okay. Therefore, naturally atmospheric pressure will decrease, but the pressure inside human body, it means our blood pressures in our capillaries. Okay. As the blood pressure remains same, whether we are at near the sea level or on the hills or in desert or in the plains or anywhere, blood pressure always remains same. Okay, so that's why we have written that the pressure inside human body, that is blood pressure, does not change at any height. Thus, the excess pressure, we are talking about the height, when we are at height on hill or any which place is at high altitude, the excess pressure inside the body, which is due to the blood pressure from the atmospheric pressure, which is excess. Here blood pressure is more, and outside, inside our body, the blood pressure is more, and outside the atmospheric pressure is less. That's why the thin capillaries, that is the blood vessels, burst, and we can see that nose bleeding is going on, right? Second example, I have chosen this one about the sail tin. It is difficult to take out oil from a sail tin if only one hole is made in it, but another hole is also made. Why it happened? See children, you have seen some metallic can. Earlier we have seen when we were child, we have seen that a coconut oil was coming in that type of can. This was made of tin. And what our parents were doing, they were putting two holes. One was bigger, having big diameter, and second a small hole. Why? So many times I asked them that why it is not possible that when we are putting one hole, oil is not coming out from the tin can. Why? Because try to understand. This is a tin can. It is completely sealed. We make one hole. What happened? Air pressure is applied. Okay, this air pressure doesn't allow liquid to come out. But when we made one more hole, then what happened? Here is air pressure. When we tilt it, then what happened? More air will enter from the opposite side, and that air pressure pushed that liquid to come out from the another hole. That is the logic. Is it okay? When there was one hole, air pressure pushed the liquid back, so the liquid doesn't come out from the single liquid. But when we make one more, just opposite to the previous hole, one more hole, and we tilt it, then what happens? There is a big quantity of air insert inside the liquid, and it makes pressure inside the liquid. That's why it comes out from this hole. So that is the reason. What I have written, see, the atmospheric pressure acts on the oil due to air exerting in the tin through the hole, and then the oil comes out of the tin through the other hole easily. Now, third example, I have chosen this one, that when a drink is sucked with a straw. What I have written, first of all, you see, then I will explain the diagram. The air of the straw goes into the lungs, and thus air pressure into the straw decreases. The air pressure acting on the drink exerts force on the drink to move up into the straw and then into the mouth. What I have written, try to understand. So this is a cold drink, children. And a person is trying to suck the cold drink. What we are doing when we are using a straw to drink cold drink or any other drink, what happened? See, the straw is vacant, it means air is there. It means the presence of air means there is air pressure also. So what we are doing, we are sucking it. Then what happened? The air inside the straw goes inside our mouth, that reaches to our lungs, and then what happened, then this place is vacant. That's why as the air pressure applied from the air on this string, this pushes this liquid inside the straw, because there is a vacant place and no any place can is possible on earth which can be remains as vacuum for long time. So when we suck the air, this place is vacant. So this, because of this air pressure, quickly that liquid goes inside the straw and we drink the liquid. So here also we have seen the use of air pressure in our daily life. So in this video, up to this one only, children. After this I will solve few question answers which is difficult for you to solve, and then numericals, because if you go through all the question answers, already I have finished all the topic. I have touched each and every topic which is in your question. Only few things which I have seen about the diagrammatic question and numericals. In the next video I will finish that thing. Till then, bye bye everyone.